Rodriguez, well, jersey number Mantangan na buko, well, jersey number 21, and looking to Agapito, good for 2 points. Agapito, well, jersey number 31, looking to Rodriguez, papanga, floater, doesn't work, and Tapigan. Agapito, 7 to 1, jersey number Quintana, shot clock 10, and Pamplona. And Pamplona, 7 to 1, jersey number Quintana, doesn't work, Mabulag, ball, out of bounds, same ball. And Mabulag to the top. And Pamplona, ang El Banana for Team Yellow. And Pamplona, sa dito kanino, ibibigay Agapito, shot na 15. 12 seconds on the shot clock. At meron na namang matatawag. Ito ay jersey number 31, ang pulis pang kalabangan, Tomer Shasipao. And Pamplona, kinukulit, shot clock 10. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Good for 2 points, Rodriguez. And syempre, shoutout ni Mr. Tagaraga. Wala jersey number 77, Pamplona, yung ilang ng bugo. And looking for the open man, shot at 15, Agapito, pull-up jumper, basket for 2 points. Agapito, yung ilang ng bugo, 3 minutes and 30 seconds to go. Agapito, wala jersey number 31, Agapito, looking to send up, good for 2 points, Versoga. And ibibigay Agapito, floater, good for 2 points. 2 minutes and 40, Marcela doesn't work. And Tapigan, Marcela pa rin. Ibibigay kanino, shot clock 10. 8 seconds on the shot clock. And Rancho doesn't work. 2 minutes and 30. Ang pang-aalikaman ng tirada nitong Bimboy Vizcaino. Shot clock 15. And a single. Substitution. Kumil siya si out, Tabi. 2 minutes and 5. Barcelona, good for 2 points. And 2 minutes to go. Number 77, shot na 15. Running jersey number 77, Pamplona, Marcelo na naman. Hindi makukunay ka, Agapito, Rancho, floater, good for 2 points, Rancho. 1 minute and 15. And one jersey number 31, Agapito, floater, Supalpal yung inabot.